Question 1. A child receives a series of vaccinations in their first year of life. Which of the following best describes the type of immunity being developed? A. Passive natural immunity. B. Passive artificial immunity. C. Active natural immunity. D. Active artificial immunity. E. Innate immunity. Correct answer D. Active artificial immunity. Vaccines are artificial exposures to antigens that stimulate the immune system to develop memory. This is active artificial immunity. C. Incorrect options. A. Passive natural involves maternal IgG or IgA. B. Passive artificial, preformed antibodies, e.g. antitoxins. C. Active natural occurs after natural infection. E. Innate immunity, nonspecific, no memory involved. Question 2. Which of the following best explains why active immunity offers long-term protection? A. Circulating cytokines are continuously elevated. B. It relies on antibody infusions. C. Memory B and T cells are generated. D. Antigens are not recognized until re-exposure. E. IgA antibodies persist in the circulation indefinitely. Correct answer C. Memory B and T cells are generated. Active immunity is characterized by development of immunologic memory, which allows a faster and stronger response on re-exposure. Incorrect options. A. Cytokine levels return to baseline after infection clears. B. That's passive immunity. D. Antigens are recognized at initial exposure to generate memory. E. IgA acts in mucosa and doesn't persist indefinitely in circulation. A patient exposed to rabies receives both the rabies vaccine and rabies immunoglobulin. Which statement best describes this approach? A. Passive natural immunity only. Active artificial immunity only. C. Combined passive and active immunity. D. Active natural immunity only. E. Passive artificial immunity followed by corticosteroids. Correct answer C. Combined passive and active immunity. For rabies and hepatitis B, the approach is to give immediate passive protection, IG, and long-term active immunity, vaccine. Incorrect options. A. Passive natural would be from maternal antibodies. B. Active artificial only, doesn't include passive IG. D. Active natural would be from infection. E. Corticosteroids suppress immunity, not standard treatment. Question 4. Which of the following clinical situations would require active immunity for long-term protection rather than just passive immunity? A. Administration of tetanus immune globulin. B. Transfer of maternal IgG across placenta. C. Natural infection with varicella zoster virus. D. IVG infusion for immune deficiency. E. Antivenom after snake bite. Correct answer? C. Natural infection with varicella zoster virus. This is active natural immunity. The immune system mounts a response to a real infection, resulting in long-lasting protection. Incorrect options. A. Passive artificial, preformed antibodies. B. Passive natural, maternal antibody transfer. Passive artificial, temporary immunity. E. Passive artificial, antivenom is preformed antibody. A 26-year-old unvaccinated woman is bitten by a rabid animal. What is the best course of action to prevent rabies? A. Observation and antibiotics only. B. Rabies vaccine only. C. Rabies immune globulin only. D. Rabies vaccine and immune globulin. E. Corticosteroids and antitoxin. Correct answer D. Rabies vaccine and immune globulin. This is the standard post-exposure prophylaxis. Rabies equals passive immediate protection. Rabies vaccine, active long-term protection. Incorrect options. A. Rabies is fatal without treatment. B. Vaccine alone is too slow for initial exposure. C. IG alone won't give lasting immunity. E. Corticosteroids would suppress immune response.